Today we've been showing you all the different ways to bring back the cocktail hour. We started with the cheese platter, took alcohol beyond the cocktail, and now it's time for garnishes that are really like works of art. Entertaining expert Arina is back to amaze us one more time. Arina,
yes.
Show us, enlighten us.
Well,
you know how to make things look fancy.
Look fancy, but super duper easy.
Fancy, but doable.
Yes. Well, you know, I don't know if you know this, but I like to talk.
But
so
yeah.
When I go to a party and like somebody makes me a drink, and you know how they shake it up and it gets cold?
Yeah.
I wind up standing and talking, and I wind up, you know, it becomes nice and warm, and I get so angry.
So rather than drink faster, you have a solution?
I do.
Okay.
So these are frozen blueberry sticks, and like they act as your ice cubes, but they also look pretty, so you don't have ice in your drink.
And they don't water your drink down.
They don't.
Nobody wants that.
Yeah. So it just depends on, like, this would be really good with like wedding cake vodka, you know, so something that's infused with fruit. So that, and it's super duper easy. You just take the blueberries, skewer them on, freeze them.
Freeze them, you're good.
You're good.
Okay.
So then another really great garnish, especially for the holidays, is this raspberry and rosemary garnish. And you can put that in anything, really.
So did you skewer that too?
I did. I skewered it on top of the, I just took rosemary and put raspberries on it, and then that's it, and you can just sort of plop it in your drink. And it's green and red and very, very festive. Another thing that's really awesome. Do you like Bloody Marys?
Love them.
Okay.
Did I answer that too quickly? I mean, yeah, sometimes I kind of like them, right?
Me too.
Yeah, they're great. They're like health food. They have your salad, your tomato, lycopene.
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to show us how to garnish these and really bump them up.
Exactly. And the beauty is that you can like literally throw the kitchen sink in there for a garnish. So one of the biggest things that they're using now are jerky and sausages.
Like a Slim Jim.
Like a Slim Jim.
Right.
There's a guy that makes these as straws.
Oh.
Yeah. So you say, you know, like during the party. It's not very classy, but it tastes good, you know.
It's neat. It's good for a tailgate.
And you can put some basil in there.
Now that looks fancy.
Okay, so this is yet another really great garnish for a Bloody Mary. You've got your lemon in there. Cheese, and we were just talking about cheese.
Right.
And feta stuffed olive, like perfection. And then this, okay, you know how you do your martinis and people usually just put an olive in there?
Right.
You know? But this is your cocktail party, right? You want to be different.
You want to look like you went the extra mile.
Exactly,
Okay.
Exactly. So you will take a slice, a very, very thin slice of cucumber, which is really neutral. It's not going to interfere with the taste. And then you're just going to wrap it up. And ultimately, you have this beautiful, beautiful little thing.
My mouth is watering.
I know.
It looks so good.
It does. And like,
it all looks really good.
I know. And the beauty of this is that, you know, your garnishes will look better than your drinks.
Fancy.
I know.
I like it. Arina Lannis, thank you. We have a link to this chick on our website. You are a force to be reckoned with when it comes to entertaining. I love it.
Thank you.
Love her. Entertaining cocktail party guru. Check out our website. Oh, I like this wine too. Look
It's so good.
An
It's
added
got
touch is
grapes
grapes
in there. Especially
We're just
going to
hang out and polish off Arina's whole thing here. You're on your own, Courtney.
Yeah.